failed like one of my New Year's resolutions. To be fair, I was trying to soak in all the time I had left with my long distance boyfriend, and he just left last week, so I feel like this week I can actually just get my life together. But first, I need to clean up this mess. I came back from Nicaragua and I just feel like everything has cluttered up. I haven't fully unpacked one of my backpacks. Everything is just a mess. I was planning on doing this way earlier, but I was at work and I just got home. It's 4:14 already. I didn't want to clean, but I can't keep putting this off because it's driving me crazy. I feel like I don't have a good mindset when everything is just all over the place. Let's get started. We're gonna start with my bed, the thing that I hate the most. I have my matcha. Let's get started. I really don't want to do this. Okay guys, I was being a bit dramatic when I said that I hated doing this the most. It's not something I hate doing. It's actually the easiest thing. I feel like what I actually hate doing the most is putting these back on. It's a pain. It takes forever. It takes me like at least 30 minutes to put back on, but surprisingly this time it didn't take me too long. And if you're wondering where my bed sheets are from, they're from Amazon. I'm gonna link them in the description. And I've had them for such a long time. I am thinking about changing them, but I don't know, I have an attachment. I feel like if I change it, it won't make my room look put together the way that it does now. I think plaid will look really cute. This is my vanity. I was getting ready this morning and I just left everything on top of my vanity. I need to get rid of this Christmas tree because it's obviously not Christmas anymore. This is what my nightstand is looking like. Really random. These bags I need to put away. They are up on my Depop. Also, yeah, this air fryer is in my room because there's no plug in my kitchen for some reason, so I have to plug this in my room. It's so annoying. My PJs and all these cables on the floor. This is all the laundry I need to do, guys. This is so embarrassing. First, we need to wash our bed sheets. This takes the longest to dry, so I just like to get this out of the way. Guys, when I was younger, I remember my mom and I used to have to go to the laundromat and do our laundry, and it was so annoying. I am so grateful and happy now that I'm able to do my laundry in the comfort of my own home. I always randomly think about that, and now that I'm older I realize how much of a privilege that is. Okay, so I started unpacking everything from this makeup bag that I took on my trip. This bag is from Bubble. I got it at NPR, and unfortunately I am kind of an iPad kid, so I had to be watching YouTube while doing this, and I was watching Alexis Marie, you know, Snow White 400, whatever her Instagram or her handle was, but I feel like she's so underrated. She's so niche for me. I love her videos so much. And Desiree's story times back then, her high school vlogs. I feel like YouTube has changed so much. I feel like we don't get those juicy story times anymore. But another YouTuber I loved was She's Lulu. Again, very niche. If you know, then you know. Let me know in the comments down below if you've watched She's Lulu. She was my favorite of all time. We got off topic so much here, but I finally am in the last steps of cleaning my vanity. I feel like it wasn't that dirty. It was more just disorganized. I had my hair products and my makeup stuff. I had my lip liners where my mascara was, but we fixed it. I have this photo of Lorenz and I. Sorry, ignore that. It's the washer. I want to change out the photos, and I'm thinking of putting all of these. I had this from like the very beginning of our relationship. These were our anniversary photos. I wanted to add them into this frame, but I also didn't like these pictures that I added on from the old frame. So I found this frame and I like these pictures better from our New York trip. So I decided to add these instead. And I feel like it looks so much better. It goes more with the vibe. All finished now. I feel like this looks so cute. I wish the whole frame was filled with these pictures. The size of these are kind of awkward. This looks so much better than the other photos that I had. Next is the kitchen. I think this is the part that I hate, which I don't know why. The kitchen just makes me feel very overwhelmed. I think it's because it's a bigger space. And then we have this mess. That gray hamper is from my stepdad. I don't know why it was in my house. I wanted to get the before clips, but now that I'm looking back, I'm like, okay, I get it. I see that it's dirty. wash this, but it's basically a bunch of containers for meal prepping. I only had like 2 containers that I was using, so it was kind of annoying to be like washing 2 containers every other day. This is how I know I'm like getting older, because I am so excited about containers. It comes in a pack of 6 or 5 actually. Yeah, 5 containers. I'm gonna link them in the description. Another thing that I got is actually something that was a return from my stepdad's warehouse. I've been really into baking lately. It's this black decker. I'm so excited to try this, and I feel like this will come in handy because I have like a regular whisk and it is such an arm workout. It also comes with like box to store it in. Return, but it's literally brand new. All of these different attachments.
Could be finer than to be in Carolina. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt, no doubt. When the little birds are singing on the trees, you wanna be there with the gentle breeze. I wake up smiling, the day is so new. The simple promise of being with you.
Surprisingly, something that I do like doing is cleaning my bathroom. I don't know why, I just feel like it's very therapeutic. It's also probably the smallest place or area in my house, and it's the quickest to clean, so that's why I like it. If you already watched a few of my videos, then you know this is not actually an apartment. It's my back house connected to my parents' house, but I just feel like people search up apartment cleaning videos so much more than back house cleaning videos, so that's why everything I'm titling it is apartment. Just in case you're new or you're wondering, that's why. I'm giving you guys a trigger warning right now. I had so much laundry that I needed to fold, and looking back, I'm getting like this like laundry phobia. Like, what is that? That is a whole mountain right there on my bed. I don't know how I let it get that bad. And then the worst part that I was dreading the most was doing my bed. Looking back, I don't know how I did this all in one night. Not gonna lie, I was also contemplating on getting a coffee to keep me going, but I was pushing through. I didn't show it, but I did eat. I still hadn't showered though, way later than I thought. It was already 11 p.m. Looking back editing this though, I am so glad I did this all in one night. I would never do that again. I will definitely start way earlier. When I came back from work, I was like, no, I don't know how I'm gonna clean my whole entire house. I'm probably not gonna do it. I'm gonna put it off for another day. But I knew that if I didn't get this done, it just was never gonna happen, and I'm proud of myself, honestly. Even though I'm really late on this like reset, it's okay. I still did it. I still got it done. Next month though, we are definitely starting way earlier. I am so tired. It is 12 p.m. Can you guys imagine? I finished so late and I was not gonna stop cleaning until I finished everything. It looks so much better and I'm gonna sleep so nice. This is the bathroom, all nice and clean. I just fixed this, okay. I'll also try and link these PJs in the description. Love the fabric because it's so breathable. The living room and the kitchen now, so much better. I also got rid of all of like the clutter on here. I only left these 2 bags. Like, it's so cute. Okay guys, I am off to bed now and I'm gonna try sleeping in tomorrow too because it is so late, and I'll see you guys in my next video.